Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that affects millions of us. The harsh reality of being a middle class taxpayer in India. Despite contributing significantly to the nation's tax revenue, the middle class often feels overlooked and underappreciated. It's a constant struggle, and here's why. First, let's talk about the high tax burden. For many middle class families, a significant portion of their income goes straight to taxes. Yet, what do they get in return? Public services and infrastructure are often lacking, leaving them frustrated and feeling like their money is being wasted. Then there's inflation. The cost of living keeps rising. Essentials like groceries, education, healthcare, and housing are become more expensive every day. This erodes their disposable income, making it harder to save or invest for the future. And let's not forget the lack of social security. Unlike in some other countries, India doesn't have a comprehensive system for unemployment benefits or universal health care. The middle class has to rely on their own savings for emergencies, retirement, and education. It's a constant source of stress. Economic policies like GST and demonetization have also hit the middle class hard. These measures were supposed to bring long-term benefits, but the immediate impact was often disruptive, leading to economic hardships without clear advantages. Corruption and mismanagement only add to the frustration. Middle-class taxpayers see their hard-earned money disappearing into a black hole of inefficiency and graft. Public services remain poor and infrastructure crumbles despite their contributions. The middle class often feels invisible in policy making. Decisions seem to favor the rich and influential or are targeted at the poor, leaving the middle class squeezed in between. They feel unrepresented and forgotten. Employment challenges are another major issue. Even with higher education, many find themselves in precarious jobs, underemployed, and uncertain about the future. Job security is a distant dream replaced by harsh reality of economic instability. This is the sad reality of the Indian middle class. It's a life of constant struggle, unrecognized contributions, and dreams deferred. Despite their best efforts, they often feel like they are stuck in a system that doesn't appreciate them. But it's important to talk about these issues, to raise awareness and push for change. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going and work towards a better future for everyone. Thanks for watching.